My name is Chris Atkinson. Me and my brother Marcus are the owners here at Willands Tech Auto.
Been setting the standard in the community since 1937. That's over 85 years taking care of Ferndale families.
We're local. I mean, we're here for the people. We are part of the people from Ferndale.
We try to be very honest with you.
We're very friendly and we try to treat everybody equally.
We do very good work. We're pretty competitively priced.
I feel like we always want to help out people here because, well, we're from this town.
We employ local members of the community. We are a part of this community and we try to give back as much as possible.
I mean, you're getting honest car care from honest people here. My great-grandma went to Ferndale High School, so it's very important that we take care of people in this community like they've never been taken care of before.
We earn your trust with every service in providing fantastic work and communication throughout the process.
We gotta make sure that we're taking care of people the right way, the way that they want to be taken care of, so they'll keep coming back and telling people about us like they have for 85 plus years.